In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily add TikTok widget to your iPhone home screen. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So guys, first of all, in order to add TikTok widget on your iPhone's home screen, all you'll have to do is to tap and hold on empty area of screens. And once you're on this page, tap on the plus icon on the top left corner and then scroll down until you find TikTok right here and then tap on it. Now they will give you a bunch of different widgets. For example, I want to select this one and then tap on add widget to the bottom, and now you can see the widget is been successfully added to my home screen. Whenever I will tap on search on TikTok, it will take me to TikTok application. So that's how you can easily add a TikTok widget to your iPhone's home screen. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.